In the peaceful village of Meadowbrook, there lived a kind farmer named Jack. Jack was known for his gentle heart and his love for all creatures big and small. Every morning, he would wake up with the sun to tend to his farm, taking care of his animals with tender affection. One bright morning, as Jack made his way to the pasture to feed his cows, he noticed something extraordinary. Among his usual herd of cows, there stood one that glimmered like gold in the sunlight. Jack rubbed his eyes in disbelief, thinking he must be dreaming. But as he drew closer, he realized that what he saw was real. There, amidst his cows, stood a golden cow unlike any he had ever seen before. Its coat shone like the sun, casting a warm glow over the pasture. Jack's heart swelled with wonder and joy as he approached the golden cow. He reached out a trembling hand to touch its gleaming coat, feeling the softness beneath his fingers. The cow turned its head to look at him with eyes that sparkled with wisdom and kindness. From that moment on, the golden cow became the talk of the village. People came from far and wide to catch a glimpse of the miraculous creature, marveling at its beauty and wondering at its origins. Some said it was a gift from the heavens, sent to bless the village with prosperity and good fortune. Others believed it to be a sign of magic woven into the fabric of the land. But Jack knew one thing for certain. The golden cow was a blessing to him and his farm. With its presence, the fields seemed to yield richer harvests, and the other animals thrived in its company. As the seasons passed, the golden cow became a beloved member of Jack's farm. Children would come to visit, their faces lighting up with joy at the sight of the radiant creature. And though Jack grew old and gray, his bond with the golden cow remained as strong as ever. For in the presence of such wonder and beauty, he knew that miracles were real, and that sometimes the greatest treasures could be found in the simplest of things.